Connecting with the divine with your eyes closed is meditation. Connecting with the divine with your eyes open is darshan. Come, let us all now move from meditation to darshan. Slowly, very slowly, please open your eyes.
भगवते रुद्राय ईशानतत्पुरुषाय अघोराय वामदेवाय सत्यजाताय नमः। भगवते रुद्राय ईशानतत्पुरुषाय अघोराय वामदेवाय सत्यजाताय नमः। ओम नमो नमो नमः शिवाय। 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 परब्रह्म रूपारूप हेतोऽपि लिङ्गोद्भव शिवा शिवा। सर्वभुवन पञ्चकृत्य कर्तो गुरु सदा शिवा शिवा। कृत्यादि सकल तत्त्वमयमे महा सदा शिवा। जङ्गमा जङ्गम अन्तस्थ परब्रह्म परशिव। जन्म मृत्यु चक्रच्छेदक शक्तिदायक अवतार निगमागम पुनरुद्धारक विद्यानन्द परम शिवा शिवा। नित्यानन्द परम शिवा शिवा। नित्यानन्द परम शिवा। सर्वव्यापिन् सर्वान्तर्यामिन् शिव। निर्मल पशुपति श्री सदा शिवा। सर्वव्यापिन् सर्वान्तर्यामिन् शिव। निर्मल पशुपति श्री सदा शिवा। कोटि कोटि मुख श्रीमन्महा सदा शिव। सर्वासां शक्तीनां पति पर शिवा। कैलास पुनरुद्धारक अवतार श्रेष्ठ कृपाकर भक्ति गम्य नित्यानन्द परम शिवा शिवा। नित्यानन्द परम शिवा शिवा। नित्यानन्द परम शिवा। जटिनिलकण्ठ इन्दुशेखर जगन्पीता सर्वकामद कामारि परा परा। जटिनिलकण्ठ इन्दुशेखर जगन्पीता सर्वकामद कामारि परा परा। मन्त्रमय दिव्य देहिन् सर्वज्ञपीठेश्वर आनन्द गन्ध निलय निर्वाणधाम। काषायम्बर सन्न्यास कृत्यधीश्वरा शिव। त्रिनेत्र दीक्षदायक नित्यानन्द परम शिवा शिवा। नित्यानन्द परम शिवा शिवा। नित्यानन्द परम शिवा।
नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि परमशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and blessings. I welcome all the Sarvajñapeta Yajaman, Kartas, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Kotari Tanedar, everyone sitting with us all over the world. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Paramashiva's message directly from Kailasa. Listen. Conscious sovereignty is manifested by you being and radiating your conscious sovereignty continuously. Do this Swarajya Siddhi Samyama. This is the Samyama to achieve conscious sovereignty. Listen. This Swarajya Siddhi Samyama means Samyama for the conscious sovereignty I directly received from Raghupati Yogi and Isakki Swamigal. Isakki Swamigal, till the end of his life, he practiced this Samyama. Raghupati Yogi taught me from the yogic angle. Isakki Swami gave me as a Shaktipada itself. Now, this is the message from Paramashiva. Listen very deeply. I'm going to initiate all of you. Do the Shaktipada and Shaktinipada of this Samyama today. So if you want to call all your friends, family, you can call them for initiation. If you want to get your pets, get them for initiation. Actually, this is the important direct instruction from Paramashiva. That's the reason I came for the satsang today. Otherwise, originally I was planning that I will directly give the Devi Bhava Darshan on Adivelli, which is tomorrow. Tomorrow you are all going to have a darshan, Devi Bhava Samadhi Darshan, as it usually happens in those days, with a sari and all the full Devi manifestation. You are all going to have Devi Bhava Samadhi Darshan tomorrow. So I was originally planning I will come for Devi Bhava Samadhi Darshan because too much Samadhi. But this message just got downloaded into my system so powerfully, and it need to be delivered immediately, today itself, from the Akashic records. The whole science got downloaded. Please listen. I got this science from Isaki Swamigal and Raghupati Yogi both. Now Paramashiva gave this. Elaborately, directly from the Akashic records. Swarajya Siddhi Samyama. It's a very powerful manifestation. Directly from Paramashiva. So if you guys want, I'll give few minutes for all of you to gather everyone, your friends, family, pets, for initiation. Then I'll start the initiation. Shrikant, tell Prasanna Ramchandran to join. Tripura, tell Vedaswarupa to join. And tell Bhagavan Reddy also to join. Ramesh Ramani, I think in the car. Oh, it's in the house. Ramesh Ramani is in the house only. It's a sunlight. So all of you settle down with your Atmalingas. I'm going to initiate step by step. Call all your friends and family and inform them now. This Samyama has two layers. Swarajya Siddhi Samyama, Swarajya Shakti Samadhi. I'm going to initiate both the layers. So better all of you settle down. Listen. All of you listen intensely. I'll explain both the levels. Swarajya Siddhi, Swarajya Shakti. Swarajya Siddhi, listen. You are Paramashiva. Everyone with whom you are relating is Paramashiva. With this cognition, continuously, every thought raising in you should be from this cognition. Understand? Consciousness becoming your emotion, thought currents, words, retaining your sovereignty. Understand? Your consciousness, from that only your cognitions manifest. From your cognitions only your emotions manifest. From your emotions, your thought currents manifest. From your thought currents, your words come out. Through your words, you start acting. The words uttered inside or outside. That is the way your functioning starts. Your relationship, this whole psychodrama starts. So, listen carefully. Your consciousness manifesting as your cognition, as your emotion, as your thought current, as your words, without losing your sovereignty. Then you achieve Swarajya Siddhi. Anyone in this world can start practicing it. Now, I am giving you the second layer. Swarajya Shakti Samadhi. This is the Samyama. Samadhi. You need to manifest it intensely. Samadhi, which you need to manifest it intensely. For this, you need certain amount of ferociousness. Just for this Chaturmasya, please do it. Listen carefully. Mala Nadarajan, don't worry. Mala Nadarajan has messaged that Nadarajan is admitted in the hospital. Don't worry. You have taken care of my daughter, so I will take care of you all. But don't worry. Yes, let's come back to Satsang. Listen. Listen carefully. I'll describe elaborately, clearly, how my gurus used to manifest this samadhi and these powers of the conscious sovereignty. I'm using the word English word conscious sovereignty. Originally, the original Sanskrit word is Swarajya Shakti. It means reclaiming your Rajya, your kingdom, and manifesting the Shaktis of your kingdom. Swarajya Shakti Samyama, Swarajya Shakti Samadhi. Samyama means Tarana, Dhyana, Samadhi. All these three put together is called Samyama. So now, This is the way you can manifest your conscious sovereignty. Listen. Listen to the instructions deeply. Only one thing. 24/7. Remember, you are Paramashiva. Everyone with whom you are interacting is Paramashiva. And from this same space, your new cognitions should start manifesting. Your thought currents should start manifesting. Your ideas, emotions should start manifesting. Your words should start manifesting. It is very easy if you decide. These 4 months, this Chaturmasya, conscious sovereignty Chaturmasya, you will do all the interactions from this space. I tell you, I guarantee, take this as my guarantee, you will earn 10 times more wealth. You will have best relationships. Your health will become 100 times better. Your inner space will manifest at least 100 powers. Mark all these words as my commitment to you all who are receiving this initiation. Listen. This Chaturmasya till Navaratri, decide. Your whole interaction will be only from this angle, this space. And make sure all your communication is only through writing and showing, writing and showing, writing and showing. Because when you are not blabbering, all your verbalization is blabbering. When you are not talking blah 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 blah, you can retain the conscious sovereignty cognition. If you make your communication only through writing, you can always make sure, yes, I am from that space. I am here as Paramashiva, and here is this Paramashiva. So I am here to be ultimately integrated. No cheating, exploiting, no cunningness, strategic relationship, integrity to integrity, Paramashiva to Paramashiva, oneness to oneness. If there is a conflict, I will explain this, my conflict and insecurity and fears to this Paramashiva, knowing that this Paramashiva will not exploit me, will only support me in manifesting my Paramashivatva more and more. Listen, I am telling you, most of your deluded insecurities will melt down. All your delusional insecurities will melt down. You will know only the real problems and you will be able to solve it. I tell you, I know the powerfulness of this samadhi. I've seen my gurus doing, and I have done it. Now, I wanted to prove to all the devotees all over the world. There are many people, newcomers. You would have come today and listened to this satsang. You may be thinking, oh, this is absolutely impractical. 4 months he is asking us to be literally in silence. He doesn't know I am a doctor, I am a lawyer, I am an engineer, I am a scientist, I am a CEO, and he is asking me to be in silence. He is impractical. You may think, for all of you, I will prove the power of this Samyama by making my Kailasa government. The whole Kailasa government will function, this whole Chaturmasya, with this Swarajya Shakti Samadhi. Means the whole Kailasa government, Biddi, Tiruvannamalai, from there I am telling, all over the world, all countries, the Kailasa government functions should be done with this powerful Swarajya Shakti Samyama. Samadhi. Swarajya Shakti Samadhi. Listen. Immediately I know few people will raise, no. They somehow want to break this Samyama. They will raise, oh, what to do if we need to attend to some legal things with the outer world, if we need to attend to something. All right, maybe those 1 or 2 things, rarely you can speak as an exemption. Otherwise, this whole 4 months, all internal interactions, let it be writing and showing, writing and showing. For example, if the ashram from Tiruvannamalai ashram and Biddi ashram need to communicate, come on Zoom call, both side, write and show, over. You don't know the power of not speaking and writing, because by the time you write, you won't lose your cognition. But when you speak, you are so addicted to speaking, it has become such a natural habit of you. I will not say natural, unnaturally natural habit of you. You don't know what you speak. You don't know what you do. Actually, Skandamata does not speak. She is not speaking because she doesn't want to lose the conscious sovereignty. She knows. She wants to speak from conscious sovereignty. That is why she is waiting. She wants to be in my space, so when I initiate her, without losing the conscious sovereignty Samyama, she wants to manifest. Listen. The Kailasa government, all the Kailasavasis, if you guys take it sincerely and do what I am saying, you will prove to the world the power of this Samyama. The power of this Samyama. Listen. When I am explaining, if you decide it is difficult, you are not going to do. If you decide it is easy, you may take it for granted. Whether it is difficult or not, you have to do, that's all. Guruvak is neither difficult nor easy. It's a choice. Relationship with Guru is neither difficult nor easy. It is a decision, that's all. It's a simple decision, that's all. Listen. So even for the devotees, I am saying, see, in your office, you may not have convinced everyone about your spiritual path. With those people, you can speak no other way. But try to retain this conscious sovereignty, cognition, and continue to speak. Keep that as an exemption. Other than those few people with whom you have not convinced your spiritual path and your connection with Kailasa and all that, with those people, no other way you have to run your life. Other than those few, with everyone who knows you are my disciple and you do everything I say, with all of them, practice this samyama. You can explain to them by writing. You can keep in one paper why you are doing what you are doing. They will be happy that you are seeing them as Paramashiva and you are very honest with them, very integrated to them. No cheating, no strategy, no cunningness. They will be very happy to have a person like you in their life, in every part. I tell you, I really tell you. Exemptions, okay. Like there may be some of you, speaking is your profession, like a teacher or a singer. So those few things exempt, okay. Even in Kailasa government, there will be few people who will do this morning satsang hosting. So those few exemptions, okay. Even during that time, try to continuously hold the cognition you are Paramashiva, and with whoever you are relating, they are all Paramashiva. And I tell you, try to shift most of your communication to chatting, typing, writing, than speaking. Reduce the speaking drastically. Make it into typing, writing, that kind of things. Why? You don't know the power of this. With writing, typing, still it has not become unnaturally natural habit. See, breathing is organically natural habit. Good. But talking, even wearing clothes, all these are toxic natural habit. Unnaturally natural habit. It has become your nature, but it is not natural. Or I can put it in the other way. It has become almost like a natural for you, but which is not your nature. Like how wearing dress is not your nature, but it has become natural now. Breathing is very organically natural habit. But talking is not organically natural habit. It is forced natural habit. Forced and became a natural habit. WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, in everything. Typing is okay. Chatting is okay. Drop talking, because while you type, while you chat, I know the delete, how many times you delete and retype, reword before send button. Listen, sometimes even after sending, you wanted to verify if that person has not seen the message, if the double tick is not there, you delete it. You unsend the message. Listen, just these 4 months, hold this cognition. You will manifest so much powers. You will see the secret of the cosmos, I tell you. Listen, Paramashiva, you decided to enjoy you, so you became many. And enjoying you, anything else, pain, suffering, fear, insecurity, due to the existence of the other, is delusion. You will wake up to this reality. You will manifest that kind of powers, personality, joy, wealth, everything in your life. I am not giving you some technique to get 1 ton gold. I am giving you the methodology to get a planet made out of gold. I am giving you the methodology to get a planet, full planet, hill, everything is gold. That is what is Swarajya Siddhi. Understand? I am not giving you one small power, one small health. I am giving you your own consciousness. As I told you, you are not human being for me. You are a conscious being. You will know your purpose. You will know your life. You will feel so fulfilled, peace, joy, fulfillment. It's like you will be so grounded. You will feel so big about you. You will feel so satisfied about you. One thousand good things will happen if you just do this till Navaratri, till Vijayadashmi. That's all. I am not asking you to be in silence forever. Even in this Chaturmasya, I am not saying that you should never talk. As I gave you the exemption, whoever you are not convinced that you are my disciple and you are doing some spiritual practice, maybe your boss in the office, some of them may not have been convinced about your spiritual aspiration and practices. With them, you have to speak your survival. Those things, make it as exemption. Other than those exemption, make this as your lifestyle. I tell you, the most important truth is holding the conscious truth. You are Paramashiva, and everyone in your life is Paramashiva. Hey, listen. See, I am not talking something illogical, irrational, or impractical. Don't think I am talking something impractical. Listen. By the grace of Paramashiva, by the age of 16, literally I have mastered every thought current and experiences of enlightenment sciences, different branches of enlightenment sciences, Shaiva, Vaishnava, Shakta, Vaidika, Vedanta, Siddhanta. That is the way Paramashiva has supported. Of course, he himself manifested and he has made the whole ambience available for me in every way. He supported and made everything happen. And after that, last 27 years of my public life, from the time the Yoga Pattabhishekam is done, last 27 years, with millions of people I have worked, directly, personally, initiated, guided, made them experience powers, manifest all the best things in the life. I have done everything. Listen, I am telling you all this just to make you understand. I am most practical person. I will not tell you something impractical. And I will not tell you something useless. I am highly user-friendly and highly efficient. Efficiency-oriented, focused. If I ask you to do some spiritual practice for 10 minutes, I will make sure you get the result of at least 10 years of your tapas and the time you are spending on that spiritual practice. I am a very productive person, efficient person. You can see in 43 years what I have achieved. From that you can understand. I am very productive, life positive, focused, successful person. Very practical person. If I am giving you this samyama, this samadhi, I know the power it can bring in your life. So drop all the ideas. It is difficult, not possible for me. No. Everyone will be able to do this. As I told, if talking is your profession, like teacher, lawyer has to talk in the court. So that kind of unavoidable, have exemption. So even during those moments, always try to hold the cognition. You are Paramashiva and everyone around you is Paramashiva. And this whole interaction is between Paramashiva and Paramashiva. Hold that cognition and continue to talk, but you will forget, I know, because talking has become such unnaturally natural habit. You will forget that cognition. But what to do? But all the other times, stop talking and be from this cognition and always do the communication by penning down. Then even few minutes if you miss, you can get back to this cognition and start penning down. Kailasa government should take up this samyama. Everyone in Kailasa. And even the people who have come for the quarantine, staying in all our campuses, you can also try. Of course, it is not a compulsion for you. You can try. Because now, these 4 months, what are you going to do? You can try. Listen. When you start trying, you will see how many things open up in you and how you beautifully organize yourself. All the 25 faces of Paramashiva manifesting in you, all the 25 states of consciousness manifesting in you, how your whole being gets manifest, the Paramashivatva manifests in you. I tell you, when that experience comes from the peace space of Paramashiva, that samadhi starts manifesting, then you will understand, oh God, wow. My job is to give you Shaktipada and conscious support as a living Purnavatara of Paramashiva. I bless you all and I commit with you all. I will surround you all as a conscious layer inside and out. Inside and outside, both. Like a conscious blanket. Conscious energy field. Support all of you in every possible way to manifest this great truth. See, when you start living this truth, you will see whatever you want in your life starts manifesting, like a wealth, health, relationships, everything. Then you will understand the auspiciousness of this samadhi, this samyama, and you will be so inspired to follow. You will start You will simply start doing it. I have seen Isaki Swami constantly manifesting this samadhi. Whenever he sits in samadhi, he will do that only. He will never speak. He will have a slate, and anybody comes for blessings, support, anything, he will just write and show and clean. Write and show and clean. Write and show. That's all. Kailasa government all over the world, start practicing this and give confidence to people that it is possible to do this and be successful in all our activities. See, the Kailasa government, surely you can convince your vendors, people who supply food for you, you can convince them. We are doing a special process, Mauna Vratam, Samyama for this 4 months. We will only write and show. Maybe you will not be able to convince if there is some legal requirements, like you need to talk to some lawyer or some legal, if needed, with the outer world. You may not be able to convince them. So with them, you can communicate through words. Even with them, hold this cognition and communicate. Communicate slowly from this cognition, conscious sovereignty. Let the words manifest one by one, slowly, with extreme awareness. All the people who are sincere, want to manifest conscious sovereignty, powers of Paramashiva, should take up this samyama. Actually, Papa Skandamata is doing this samyama already. That is why she's not talking. It's not that she doesn't know the language. You can write and show her. She knows the language. I can prove it to her. She knows the language. I can prove it to the whole world. You can write and show. She will respond. She knows the language. She is doing this samyama. That's why she's not talking. She's doing this samadhi. She wants to talk from conscious sovereignty in my space. I tell you, it's a very powerful samadhi, samyama. Try this. See, even the people, still now you have not convinced that you are my devotee, you are spiritual seeker and you are practicing, you are initiated disciple, you can take next 1 or 2 days and convince them. It is possible. Kailasa, everyone listen, everyone in the Kailasa, all the Adinavasis, Gurukul Balasans, people who are in quarantine, in Biddi, in Hyderabad, all the sannyasis, all of you listen. Don't try to ask for exemption. Don't put your energy on breaking this samyama. Put your energy on making this samyama and making the whole world understand the power of this samyama. If you demonstrate it, the power, the whole world will start realizing the power of Paramashiva's words. That is the best enriching you will do. Your whole consciousness, body, mind, brain, emotions, everything will be detoxed. Paramashiva will start manifesting. Just this one samyama, this one samadhi,
என்னப்ப நல்லவா என்னப்ப நல்லவா என் தாயும் அல்லவா என் தாயும் அல்லவா தன்னை உணர்த்திடும் தியானம் அளித்தவா என்னப்ப நல்லவா என் தாயும் அல்லவா தன்னை உணர்த்திடும் தியானம் அளித்தவா எங்கும் நிறைந்தவா எண்ணம் கடந்தவா பொங்கும் மருவி அல்லவா என் தாயும் அல்லவா தன்னை உணர்த்திடும் தியானம் அளித்தவா என்னப்பன் அல்லவா என் தாயும் அல்லவா தன்னை உணர்த்திடும் தியானம் அளித்தவா ஏழாம் உடல்கள் தாண்டி நித்திய வாழ்வும் கண்டிட கேடான காலம் தன்னை வென்று நீலை நின்றிட ஏழாம் உடல்கள் தாண்டி நித்திய வாழ்வும் கண்டிட கேடான காலம் தன்னை வென்று நீலை நின்றிட சீரான பாவம் பழி நீங்கி பெரு வாழ்வினை கொண்டாட நித்யானந்த ஸ்புரணம் தன்னை செய்தவா சீரான பாவம் பழி நீங்கி பெரு வாழ்வினை கொண்டாட நித்யானந்த ஸ்புரணம் தன்னை செய்தவா என்னப்பன் 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 அல்லவா என் தாயும் அல்லவா தன்னை உணர்த்திடும் தியானம் அளித்தவா என்னப்பன் அல்லவா என் தாயும் அல்லவா தன்னை உணர்த்திடும் தியானம் அளித்தவா ஏழாம் உடல்கள் தாண்டி நித்திய வாழ்வும் கண்டிட கேடான காலம் தன்னை வென்று நீலை நின்றிட ஏழாம் உடல்கள் தாண்டி நித்திய வாழ்வும் கண்டிட கேடான காலம் தன்னை வென்று நீலை நின்றிட சீரான பாவம் பழி நீங்கி பெரு வாழ்வினை கொண்டாட நித்யானந்த ஸ்புரணம் தன்னை செய்தவா சீரான பாவம் பழி நீங்கி பெரு வாழ்வினை கொண்டாட நித்யானந்த ஸ்புரணம் தன்னை செய்தவா என்னப்பன் 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 அல்லவா என் தாயும் அல்லவா தன்னை உணர்த்திடும் தியானம் அளித்தவா என்னப்பன் அல்லவா என் தாயும் அல்லவா தன்னை உணர்த்திடும் தியானம் அளித்தவா என்னப்பன் அல்லவா என் தாயும் அல்லவா தன்னை உணர்த்திடும் தியானம் அளித்தவா என்னப்பன் அல்லவா என் தாயும் அல்லவா தன்னை உணர்த்திடும் தியானம் அளித்தவா எங்கும் நிறைந்தவா எண்ணம் கடந்தவா பொங்கும் அருவியாய் ஆனந்தம் தந்தவா எங்கும் நிறைந்தவா எண்ணம் கடந்தவா பொங்கும் அருவியாய் ஆனந்தம் தந்தவா என்னப்பன் அல்லவா என் தாயும் அல்லவா தன்னை உணர்த்திடும் தியானம் அளித்தவா என்னப்பன் அல்லவா என் தாயும் அல்லவா தன்னை உணர்த்திடும் தியானம் அளித்தவா எங்கும் நிறைந்தவா எண்ணம் கடந்தவா பொங்கும் அருவியாய் ஆனந்தம் தந்தவா எங்கும் நிறைந்தவா எண்ணம் கடந்தவா பொங்கும் அருவியாய் ஆனந்தம் தந்தவா
என்னப்பனே என்னையனே நித்யானந்த நித்ய காருண்யனே என்னப்பனே என்னையனே நித்யானந்த நித்ய காருண்யனே நித்யா 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 நித்யானந்தனே நித்யா 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 நித்யானந்தனே நித்யானந்த நித்ய ரூப நித்ய காருண்யனே நித்யானந்த நித்ய ரூப நித்ய காருண்யனே என்னப்பனே என்னையனே நித்யானந்த நித்ய காருண்யனே நித்யானந்த நித்ய காருண்யனே பன்னீர் கை நித்ய குருநாதனே பன்னீர் கை குருநாதனே பன்னீர் கை நித்ய குருநாதனே பன்னீர் கை குருநாதனே பக்தர்கள் கனுகூலனே பக்தர்கள் கனுகூலனே நித்யா 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 நித்யானந்தனே நித்யா 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 நித்யானந்தனே நித்யானந்த நித்ய ரூப நித்ய காருண்யனே நித்யானந்த நித்ய ரூப நித்ய காருண்யனே என்னப்பனே என்னையனே நித்யானந்த நித்ய காருண்யனே என்னப்பனே என்னையனே நித்யானந்த நித்ய காருண்யனே நித்யா 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 நித்யானந்தனே நித்யா 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 நித்யானந்தனே நித்யானந்த நித்ய नित्य नित्य नित्यानंदने नित्यानंद नित्य रूप नित्य कारुण्यने नित्यानंद नित्य रूप नित्य कारुण्यने यन्नप्पने यन्नय्यने नित्यानंद नित्य कारुण्यने यन्नप्पने यन्नय्यने नित्यानंद नित्य कारुण्यने கால்களில் பொற்றிலம்பு நித்தியம் கைகளில் பொற்றதங்கை கால்களில் பொற்றிலம்பு நித்தியம் கைகளில் பொற்றதங்கை கல் 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 என வருவான் கல் 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 என வருவான் நித்ய 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 நித்யானந்தனே நித்ய 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 நித்யானந்தனே नित्यानंद नित्य रूप नित्य कारुण्यने नित्यानंद नित्य रूप नित्य कारुण्यने यन्नप्पने यन्नय्यने नित्यानंद नित्य कारुण्यने यन्नप्पने यन्नय्यने नित्यानंद नित्य कारुण्यने கங்கை முடி கொண்ட காசிநாதனே கங்கை முடி கொண்ட காசிநாதனே கங்கை முடி கொண்ட காசிநாதனே கங்கை முடி கொண்ட காசிநாதனே பங்கை சரி பாதி தந்தவனே உடம்பில் பங்கை சரி பாதி தந்தவனே நித்ய நித்ய நித்ய
as a living Purnavatara of Paramashiva, living complete manifestation of Paramashiva. I bless you all. Let this conscious sovereignty samyama, let this Swarajya Siddhi samyama, Swarajya Shakti samyama manifest in all of our lives, and all the auspiciousness blossom. The past, present, future, all the three completely be occupied by Paramashiva. Let Paramashiva manifest in our past, present, future. Make all of us realize not only our present and future is Paramashiva, even our past is Paramashiva. There is no vase for past in the space of Paramashiva. All three, past, present, future, all is eternal. When you understand past is Paramashiva, you will understand present is Paramashiva, future is Paramashiva. All the delusions will disappear. Kalatita, Mayatita, Dvandvatita, Paramashivatva manifest in all of us.
மதி உணராதவர்க்கு மதி உணர் செய்திட வான்மழை ஏந்திவா அறவாடிட இசை சூழ்ந்திட திகழ் சேர நீ வருவாய் அகம் உணர்ந்திட புறம் மகிழ்ந்திட புலித்தோலோடு நீ வருவாய் विमुक्ति कारणे नादिकेश दिव्य ब्रह्मरूपदे मीनाक्षि शक्ति सहित सुंदरे सदे अन्ना அண்ணாமலை உதித்த நித்யநந்தனே சித்து அச்சித்தெல்லாம் முன்னாலே இயக்கும் முன்னாலே உந்தன் கண்ணாலே சிகையில் அணிந்திட்ட மதியாலே மதியின்
Om. Listen carefully. The idea, perception, experience you carry about your past, when that starts changing, your future will start changing. This samyama, Swarajya Shakti Samadhi Samyama, will make your idea about your past change. Your life will be detoxed so much. Your perceptions about past will disappear. You will feel so much of joy, ecstasy, fulfillment. I tell you, when you guys suffer, I feel so much sympathy seeing you all, because 99% of your suffering is just delusion centric. The remaining 1% is not suffering. It's a sport challenge, joy of life. Ecstasy of life. So, when your perception about the past changes, past just drops from you, it will never be a heavy load on you. It will no more be a toxic around you, making your present and future toxic. So understand? I bless you all. The whole load of your past be detoxed. All the load of the past be cleared. Let you all be detoxed. Let you all radiate Paramashivatva. Let Paramashiva Paramborul, ultimate, manifest in all of you. Om. Shiva. 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 Shiva.
விலக பூமி எங்குமே ஞானம் வளர மலர தேகம் எங்குமே சுரவை சாம்பல் பூசி ஆடும் மன்னரே பாதம் பதிய வருக திரிசடையோடு திரிபுரம் எரித்த அந்த தடவியோடு தீமைகள் ஒழிக்க வருக பலத்திலே நித்தம் வாழுகின்ற தாண்டவத்தையே அகிலம் உணரவே பொங்கிடும் மங்களம் பூலோகம் எங்கிலும் கங்கையும் வெள்ளமாய் பாய்ந்தோடி வந்திடும் கால காலனாக நீ நின்றிடும் அற்புதம் கண்டவர் யாவரும் திருவடி அது சரணடைந்திட கைலையில் வாழும் எங்கள் கைலை நாதனே கருணையின் வடிவே நீ வருக வருகவே நலம் தரும் வாழ்வருளும் நித்யானந்தனே இடமதி சூடி நீ வருக வருகவே அன்பின் வடிவமே ஆனந்த ஈஸ்வரனே வெள்ளம் முழுதும் சிவாட்சி மலர வருகவே அடிமுடி காணாத அண்ணாமலை நாதனே சடை புலி ஆண்டவனே அடியெடுத்து வருகவே கையிலையில் வாழும் எங்கள் கையிலை நாதனே கருணை வடிவே நீ வருக வருகவே நலம் தரும் வாழ்வருளும் நித்யானந்தனே இடமதி சூடி நீ வருக வருகவே
மாமதுரை மீட்ட சுந்தரா போற்றி அருணையில் உதித்த நித்தியனை போற்றி மாமதுரை மீட்ட சுந்தரா போற்றி நித்யானந்தா அனந்தா அனந்தா நித்யானந்தா நித்யானந்தா அனந்தா அனந்தா நித்யானந்தா நித்யானந்தா அனந்தா அனந்தா நித்யானந்தா அனந்தா 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 நித்யானந்தா எந்தாய் போற்றி அருவமை உருவமை ஆனாய் போற்றி முழுவதும் இறந்த முதல்வாய் போற்றி முத்தமிழ் மொழி கண்ட முகிழே போற்றி அஞ்சல் என்றிங்கு அருள்வாய் போற்றி அத்தான் போற்றி ஐயா போற்றி நாதமனாவிலே நின்றாய் போற்றி கீதமவாவிலே ஆனாய் போற்றி நித்யானந்தா அனந்தா நினைத்தால் நெஞ்சில் நிறைவாய் நித்யானந்தா நினைத்தால் நெஞ்சில் நிறைவாய் நஞ்சு அமுதாய் நயந்தாய் போற்றி கனவிலும் அன்பக்கு ஆனாய் போற்றி கலியுகம் காத்த காலமே போற்றி உணர்வில் ஒன்றான உயிரே போற்றி உயிர் தாண்டி வந்த துணையே போற்றி அருமையில் எளிய அழகே போற்றி கோடியில் என கொண்ட நித்தியனை போற்றி
नीलकण्ठाय शाम्भवे अमृतेशाय सर्वाय महादेवाय ते नमः मृत्युञ्जयाय रुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय शाम्भवे अमृतेशाय सर्वाय महादेवाय ते नमः ఏమీ భాగ్యమురా మనది ఎంతటి మోదమురా ఏమీ సౌఖ్యమురా మనది ఎంతటి మోక్షమురా ఏమీ భాగ్యమురా మనది ఎంతటి మోదమురా ఏమీ సౌఖ్యమురా మనది ఎంతటి మోక్షమురా అరణ శివుడేరా స్వామి మనవాడేరా కైలాస నుంచి వచ్చిన మన తోడేరా నిత్యానంద పరమ శివమేనా నిత్యానంద పరమ శివమేనా మనవాడే మన తోడు మన స్వామి వచ్చాడురా మనవాడే మన తోడు మన స్వామి పాద కమల శరణం ఏమీ భాగ్యమురా మనది ఎంతటి మోదమురా ఏమీ సౌఖ్యమురా మనది ఎంతటి మోక్షమురా ఏమీ భాగ్యమురా మనది ఎంతటి మోదమురా ఏమీ సౌఖ్యమురా మనది ఎంతటి మోక్షమురా ఎంతటి కష్టమైనా మనకి స్వామి నీ తలవరా ఏమీ లేకుండా నీకు స్వామి ఉన్నాడురా ఎంతటి కష్టమైనా మనకి స్వామి నీ తలవరా ఏమీ లేకుండా నీకు స్వామి ఉన్నాడురా దర్శనమిచ్చాడురా స్వామి దివిలో నీకెళ్ళామురా దివ్య శరీర స్వామి మన భాగ్య విధాతరా దర్శనమిచ్చాడురా స్వామి దివిలో నీకెళ్ళామురా దివ్య శరీర స్వామి మన భాగ్య విధాతరా మనవాడేరా మన తోడేరా దర్శనమిచ్చాడురా మనవాడేరా మన తోడేరా స్వామి పాద కమల శరణం ఏమీ భాగ్యమురా మనది ఎంతటి మోదమురా ఏమీ సౌఖ్యమురా మనది ఎంతటి మోక్షమురా ఏమీ భాగ్యమురా మనది ఎంతటి మోదమురా ఏమీ సౌఖ్యమురా మనది ఎంతటి మోక్షమురా తలుపుతోటి స్వామి శక్తికిచ్చాడురా భూమిలోని అంతరికి శక్తికిచ్చాడురా ఒక్క తలుపుతోటి స్వామి శక్తికిచ్చాడురా భూమిలోని అంతరికి శక్తికిచ్చాడురా మనకి శక్తినిచ్చి మనతో అందరికి ఇచ్చాడురా స్వామి దీక్షతో పుట్టివాడు చూసేనురా మనకి శక్తినిచ్చి మనతో అందరికీ ఇచ్చాడురా మన స్వామి దీక్షతో పుట్టివాడు చూసేనురా ప్రపంచమంతా సంతోషమే పరాశక్తి ఆవిష్కరణమే ఏమీ భాగ్యమురా మనకి ఎంతటి మోదమురా ఏమీ సౌఖ్యమురా మనకి ఎంతటి మోక్షమురా ఏమీ భాగ్యమురా మనకి ఎంతటి మోదమురా ఏమీ సౌఖ్యమురా మనకి ఎంతటి మోక్షమురా அண்ணாமலையே சோதி வடிவான ரூபனே என் குருநாதா என் குருநாதா என் குருநாதா அஞ்ஞான கடல் நீங்கி கணக்கு ஆத்ம ஞானம் அளிப்பாய் குருநாதா நித்யானந்தா ஆத்ம ஞானம் அளிப்பாய் நித்யா
மங்ககிடம் கொண்டு கங்கை முடி கொண்டு நர்த்தனம் புரியும் ஈசனே சுடலை பூசி புடுக்கை தனை ஏந்தும் பாலனே புலிதோலனே வீடு பிடியால் உள்ள முறைகின்ற மதுரை மாநகரின் ராசனே இன்னல்களை கலைந்து இன்பங்களை அளிக்கும் சுந்தர வடமணி நேசனே ஞாயிறு திங்கள் நித்த முறைகின்ற செவ்விழி கொண்ட செல்வனே சொக்கனே எந்த சோமனே ஐயா சோதி வடிவான ரூபனே அடிமுடி காணா அண்ணாமலையே அகிலமும் போற்றிடும் ஐயனே நாதாவரணனே நால்வர் போற்றிட நயமுடனாடிடும் நாதனே ஆழகாலம் உண்டு ஆழம் காடுதனில் ஆனந்த நடமிடும் ஆதி செய்வனே மங்கையிடம் கொண்டு கங்கை முடி கொண்டு நர்த்தனம் புரியும் ஈசனே சுடலை முடி பூசி உடுகை தனையேந்து காலனே புலிதோலனே மீனின் பிடிகால் உள்ள முறைகின்ற மதுரை மாநகரின் ராசனே இன்னல்களை கலைந்து இன்பங்களை அளிக்கும் சுந்தர வடமணி நேசனே மங்கையவளிடம் கொண்டு நீயாடி பாடியாற்று இருவினைகள் தீர்த்தருளவே நித்யனே இடபத்தின் மேலேறிவா என்றென்றும் ஈசனை தானாடிட புவிதனில் சுந்தரனை நீயாடிவா தினமும் நீ விசும்பு தந்தருளவே நேசனே மலனே நீயாடிவா இமையோர்கள் கிண்ணலை கலந்திடும் தேவா தேவாதி தேவா சதா சிவா பாபா குருவாக வந்து திருவருள் புரிவாய் நித்யானந்தனே முக்தி தரவாவா விடதியில் உரைகின்ற பிரமனே நீயாடிவா காஞ்சியில் மண்ணாய் உரைபவனே அப்பாய் காட்சி தரும் எங்கள் ஆணை காவரசே ஆதிகந்தமிழாத ஜோதியாய் அருணகிரி உரைநாதனே உலகைய கிடும் வாயு வடிவே காலகத்தி ஈசனே பொழுதிடத்தில்லை நகர்தனி வானில் ஆடும் கூத்தனே பஞ்சபூதமும் நித்தம் பணியும் பரமனே பரமேசனே நித்ய ரசித நித்ய வைபவ குப்த கைலை வாசனே ஈசனே சர்வேசனே பரமேசனே ஜெகதீசனே நித்யனே ஆனந்தனே என் ஜீவனே குருதேவனே நித்யனே ஆனந்தனே என் ஜீவனே குருதேவனே நித்யனே ஆனந்தனே என் ஜீவனே
அருணையில் உதித்த அருணாச்சலனே அகிலோ தாண்டி ஆளும் அரசே நீ விழிவேது எங்களை காட்டிடவே என் இரு கண்கள் போதாது உன்னை பார்த்திடவே அருணையில் உதித்த அருணாச்சலனே அகிலம் தாண்டி
காப்பாற்றிடவே நீ இன்றி விடிவேது எங்களை காத்திடவே இரு கண்கள் போதாது உன்னை பார்த்திடவே நாயகனே வேத வித்தகனே பரமருளே ஞானத்து திருவருளே கோடி வேண்டும் காலனை காண தேடி பவனி வர அவனியே ஆடிடுதே என் கண்ணிமையும் கண்ணசையும் கருணையின் இருப்பிடமே நீ செவ்விடும் புன்னகையும் ஆனந்தத்தின் நிலையாகவே மார்கழியில் சிவனாய் அவதரித்தாய் மனதிலே தீயாய் நீ உதித்தாய் மக்கள் குறை தீர்த்திடவே ஜீவனை சிவனாய் ஆக்கிடவே ஆகமதி துறையே தீட்சிதாய் ஆனந்தமாய் வாழ வைக்க ஆண்டவனே ஏனி வந்தாய் கனியாகும் உந்தன் கருணையிலே மண்ணுயினாகும் உந்தன் வருகையிலே எங்கள் வேண்டுதற்காய் சிரசினை தந்தாயே எங்கள் வேண்டுதற்காய் நீ பாதம் பலித்தாயே உயிர் தந்து உயிருக்கு பொருள் தந்து விலக்கி நீ தந்து சிவனடி சேர்ந்திட சிந்தை சித்த
ஓம் 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 ஓம். ஓம் ஓம் ஓம். I bless you all. Let Paramashiva manifest with all the bliss, complete manifestation as a living Purnavatar of Paramashiva. I bless you all. Let Paramashiva manifest as Purnavatara in all of you. Om, Om, Om Shiva, 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 Shiva. Samrajya Shakti, Samadhi Praptirastu, Anandamayi Bhava, Sarvamangala Praptirastu. Om, 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 Om. I bless you all. Let all the auspiciousness happen. Sarva Mangala Praptirastu. Sarva Mangala Praptirastu. Sarva Mangala Praptirastu. Swarajya Siddhi, Swarajya Shakti, Samadhi Praptirastu. Sayujya Mukti Praptirastu. Paramashiva Sayujya Mukti Praptirastu. Today I also have some releases. Till now we have few hundred proclamations from all over the world. Today I am releasing first 200 to all of you and to the world. The first proclamation is from Mayor of City of San Jose, the Honorable Sam Liccardo. I thank you for this proclamation. Next is from John Billingsley, President, Hollywood Food Coalition, USA. Ashok Desai ji from California, USA. Reach Maluwal, spokesperson, South Sudan Bar Association, South Sudan. Commander Amela B.T. Gibson, Immigration Support Unit, the Republic of Liberia. Mr. Rabi Fakri, Attorney at Law, Lebanon. Joshua Kitakule, Secretary General, Interreligious Council of Uganda, Kampala, Uganda. Kayanja Vincent D. Paul, Chairman of Lake Victoria Regional Location, East Africa, Uganda. Governor Henaro Polai, Melakok State, Republic of Palau. I thank all of you, and there are hundreds more. Today I am releasing the first set of few hundreds. Blessings to all of you. And Ma Paramartha Bangaru Kutru Niku Pelirosu Subhakangshalu. Ma Paramarthananda, Ma Nitya Paramarthananda Bangaru Kutru Niku Pelirosu Subhakangshalu. Blessings. And blessings to every one of you. To manifest successfully this Samyama, Swarajya Shakti Samyama. So with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living, collective integrity, and Paramadvaitam, Shuddhadvaita Saivam, the state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness, and Kailasa of Paramashiva. Paramashivoham, Om Nityananda Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.